AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find one very good link. It says swing trading on automation. So click on this link and come to this page and then watch this video. Okay, so if you want to automate swing trading, then you can go and check this out, because I have automated swing trading. I'm the first human on the planet, or the first trader to automate swing trading. You will get to know what I'm saying when you watch that video right here. So go and check out the first link later on. If you want, you can join Telegram as well. Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. And you can use this analysis for nzdusd as well. I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. Okay, so in weekly we are up. And if you go and watch my yesterday's video, I said we are exhausted and we should, take the pullback now. And you can see price is not able to, go up today. Okay. So overall, dollar is weak. Okay. So if dollar is weak, the opposite pairs will go up. Okay. But this IUD had been going up from here until 5th of September. So this whole week we had been going up. Now it has created a new high. It will go up to 6,700 plus next week probably, or maybe after the pullback. Okay, it is now, if you're a swing trader, it is now for a pullback time. Okay, so don't enter long right now. It has to take a pullback maybe until the EMA next week, and then you can look for entries in daily chart. Coming back to 4 hour here, again we are exhausted, I think. Okay, so we have created a new high. Pullback has to happen, the price has to come maybe until the EMA. This is your long uptrend. Okay, so don't count this, don't count this. These were small pullbacks, but now when the pullback will happen, it will be a long pullback, considering this whole uptrend from here till here. Maybe I can show you. That's your uptrend. Okay, so if now pullback is gonna happen, that will happen at least 50%. Understand? So it will come down till the EMA, reject it, and then maybe push the price back again in the uptrend. Okay, so right now no trading in AUD and in AUD USD unless you do counter trading and you take shorts. But I will say wait for the pullback to happen in daily chart and then enter long, because the trend is up. Okay, that's AUD USD and ZD for you. Again, if you want to automate swing trading, if you are a pro trader or intermediate trader or newbie, no problem, it's for everybody. Go and check out the first link, come to this page, watch this video, and then only you will know what I'm saying. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.